Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from the Honor X7b. So we're gonna start from opening a Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again the fruitcase banner, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. Allow a permission and choose the photo, like this one for example, and click import. Now you can add this a shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon and choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, choose the country from the list and type the number in this place. To send the message, just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.